Hi guys, I want us to look at how to create relationships in Microsoft Access without really using drag and drop method. And therefore basically we shall just create some tables and then use them to do our demonstration. Therefore we shall start by word ID, then you can also have word, then this is the primary key, then you can just save this one here as words that way, then close that one, go ahead, create another one. If I can just create another one that is pharmacy ID, then we have, this is auto number, then you have the drug ID, and then you have the prescription that way. Therefore this is our primary key, then save that one as pharmacy, this pharmacy, then go ahead to words, this one. Therefore this one is auto number, just need this one to be auto number that way. Then again we go ahead, create table design. We can create the doctor ID, then the doctor name, and also the specialization of the doctor. Therefore this one, doctor ID, can be the primary key. Then you have the name, specialization. Here you can just go to lookup wizard, click on OK, then I'll type the second option, next. If I can have dentist, can have general, can have optician, can also have those ones can be enough. Then from there you just save this one as doctor, then create another one, create that one. Therefore you have the patient ID, therefore the patient ID is auto number, and then you have the patient here is the primary key. Then you can have his contacts. You can also have something like the doctor who will treat him or her. Then you have the ward in case he or she will be admitted, and also the prescription. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you click at database tools, then relationship, you can see there is nothing, there is no relationship here, and therefore we can just close that one. Now from this point here, I want us to create a relationship. Therefore I just go to doctor ID, then go to lookup wizard, then use this option. I want the lookup field to get values from another table or query. Go to next. Therefore we want the doctor, therefore just go to doctor. Then here we shall check on the doctor name, for example, then next, then finish. Therefore we shall have created this is patients, that relationship. Then we go ahead, we go to award ID. Therefore just go back here, go to lookup wizard, then go to next, go to words, next, then we have the word, that is, therefore next, and then finish. Then we save that one. Then for the prescription you do the same, go to lookup wizard, go to next, then this time around we want the pharmacy, next, then we have the prescription, next, that way, next, and then finish. Then you just save that one. Therefore I save that. Then I can just go to right click here, cross all. If you can just go to the doctor, then you can have Don, can have Eris, can have Caroline, you can have Belinda. Then from here you can just choose the specialization. This is a dentist, this is general doctor, this is optician, and also this one is dentist. Then can just close that. Then I can proceed to pharmacy, you can just have the drug ID. Let's say 2, can have 4, can have 6, can have 7. Then this one is something like Piriton. This is amoxicillin. Then you can have something like ibuprofen. Then you can have paracetamol, such. Then you can just cross that one. Then if you go to words, you can just have Kenyatta, you can have Nairobi, you can have Nakuru H, then you can have private. Then if now I cross this one, ladies and gentlemen, then I just go to the patients here. If example I just type the patient here is James, then you have another patient Peter, we have Jacqueline, you also have something like Moses. Therefore, if I just go to this point here, therefore I can be to choose the doctor who will treat or who has treated that guy. You can also be in a position to choose the wards, just like I'm doing from that. You can also choose prescriptions, you see, from this one. Therefore, you notice that I have created relationships using lookup wizard without really dragging them. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, if I just go to database tools, then relationships, there we are. You'll notice that I have created relationships without really dragging and dropping. Therefore, I just need to double click here and enforce the integrity, just like that. And just need to enforce the integrity. Therefore, you can see, ladies and gentlemen, that relationship has been created without struggle, and it's working perfectly using lookup wizards. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next session.